Igbo land is rich in culture, endowed with natural resources, and filled with talented men and women. But most of all, she is blessed with the most beautiful women in the black race. Therefore, we are presenting Adibo Nine, Miss Igbo land.
Mega, mega, my beautiful baby. Mega, mega, stainless baby. Mega, mega, ukebo Igbo.
A beauty pageant with a difference, because we are not only judging on the physical and intellectual attributes of our girls, but also on their knowledge of Igbo culture and ways of life. Are you an Igbo girl between the ages of 18 and 30? Do you think you can display the physical, intellectual, and cultural aspects of our beautiful Igbo heritage? Give us a call on the numbers on the screen, and you will be glad you did. We have a range of mind-blowing prizes for the winner and the girls who will make the second and the third places.
Mega, mega, mega chibo, mega, mega, ego Igbo. She no dey tire, baby na fire, in her full regalia.
Not forgetting the opportunity to mix with the cream and crop of the Igbo society during the contest. Then also, the winner will be hosted by the Obis, Igwes, Nzes, and others of Igbo land, as well as state houses of the Igbo states. Furthermore, this contest will enrich you educationally and socially, and then put you over many girls of your age. Do not miss this. You can call or send us an email. We are on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. This contest is organized by the Unique Sisters of Igbo land.